Today is a big day for me, having this crew come out. They're putting in this high-end gutter guard. Let's see what it's called here. Leafblaster Pro stainless steel micro mesh. If I can, I'll show you a sample of that. We're also having some fascia replaced, as well as a soffit. So here's some of the rotten wood that's coming down. You can see up there the fascia is rotten, so that's got to come off. Fun, fun, fun. We'll get everything taken care of. All the gutter guard will be in. The leaves have already been blown out. And they are installing the gutter guard right now. They just lay it up on the gutter and screw it in. I've got a sample of it in the house. Let's go look at that. So here is the micro mesh reinforced gutter guard that's being put on my gutters. And more than a review of the company, which they got really stellar reviews. They come from a town very close to me. Here is this gutter guard. And I don't know if you can tell, but this mesh is so tight, you're not even going to be able to have pine needles go through. And it's definitely going to keep out any leaves that are bigger than that. And the company, should a pine needle get stuck in here and is sticking up because it couldn't get through, the company actually provides a tool for you to be able to reach up. Don't know how long the tool is, but you're supposed to be able to knock debris off the top. And the guy I talked to said he's going to try and get me the link so I can get some of that. But there you go. And when the job's done, it's not going to be anything that I can climb up and show you how it looks, because that's what I paid the other guys to do. But anyhow, I highly recommend this gutter guard stuff. Here's the fascia that needed to be replaced. Oh, brother. This stuff is seriously rotten. Oh, yeah. So that was in bad shape. And you know, the gutter company that I've had come out the past 2 years, I asked them specifically, is all my fascia okay? See, yes, it's all good. They had no clue what they were even talking about, or they were just flat out lying to me. So I'm glad I got a reputable company to come out and do the job right and show me what the issue is. So the replacement fascia it looks like that. Nice and clean and ready to go. So it's looking good. Looking good. I highly recommend this stuff. I'm glad it's these guys up on the ladder and not me. So this is a composite kind of material. It's not wood. Basically plastic. That ain't gonna rot. So we're putting in the last of the gutter guards now. Second guy holds on to the rope for him. Just like that. Sort of like rock wall climbing and belaying and all that. Not exactly the same, but a similar principle. Never seen that before, but there it is. They probably don't have but about 10 to 15 minutes work left and they'll be done. They started right around 8:30 and it's 12:45 right now. I'm really pleased, and they're really good about blowing off and cleaning the deck of any of the debris that came down. So this is what the gutter guard looks like installed, and it's already doing its job. So it keeps out not only organic debris, but what is called roof grit on the top here. Rain and wind, after a while, your roofing tiles will give off this grit that the rain washes down into your gutters, and it's a true mess. My old house, I used to take out handfuls of that stuff, but it's doing the job. It looks good, so I am really happy with this product. And I just registered my product with the company, and they send you a free brush to reach up and to wipe stuff off should you want to, say like pine needles sticking up or something. Of course, you got to get a telescoping pole that's really long to get up on top of like a 2-story house, but that's later on down the pike, and that doesn't have anything to do really with how well this product works. So that's it for my review of a good round the house product, the Leafblaster Pro Micro Mesh with the Z reinforced technology.